In today's video, I'm going to teach you can I edit my Lovable AI website manually and how to do it. If you've been wondering whether you can take direct control of the code behind your Lovable AI website, the answer is yes, and it's straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact flow from opening your project to editing it in your browser with VS Code so you can confidently tweak layouts, styles, and functionality without leaving the web. Start by heading to lovable.ai. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your projects area. This is your home base, where each tile represents a site or app you've generated. Open the one you want to work on. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the correct project will save you time later, especially if you manage multiple sites. Inside the project view, look toward the top right for the GitHub icon. Click it. The first time you do this, you'll be prompted to connect your GitHub account. Go ahead and authorize the connection so Lovable can link your project to a repository. This link is what enables seamless code editing and version tracking. When the authorization screen appears, review the permissions and proceed. Connecting to only the repositories you need is a good practice. After the connection is established, choose the option to edit in VS Code. Your browser will open a VS Code environment automatically, so there's nothing to install locally. In the VS Code editor, you'll have full access to your project's files and folders, just like a traditional code base. Use the Explorer on the left to open pages, components, style sheets, and configuration files. The search panel is handy if you need to find a class name, a color token, or a function across the project. You can also use the command palette to quickly jump between files or run common editor actions. From here, you can manually update layouts, adjust styles, or modify the behavior of components to match your needs. Make thoughtful incremental edits and test as you go by reviewing the affected files and checking for errors in the editor. Your workspace saves changes as you work, and once they're recorded in the connected repository, Lovable will pick them up so your project stays in sync. Clear commit messages and small focused updates make it easier to track what changed and roll back if needed. That's it. You've connected your project, opened it in the browser-based VS Code, and learned where to edit files so your changes sync back to Lovable. Congratulations, you now have a smooth path to manual control over your Lovable AI website whenever you need it.